Hi everyone, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kalita Stylish Ways. Welcome back, glam subscribees. Welcome to my space. And on this channel we do fashion and beauty. Okay, today we're doing a pastel look, some vibrant colors. If you can see, I have on a bandeau. I bought this at a local store for $12 TT. So let me pick it up and put it on my head while I'm doing this pastel color. We are approaching Easter, so I decided why not do a pastel look. Right? In Trinidad we celebrate Easter, but in other countries they celebrate spring and Easter. We do not have spring in Trinidad. We only have two seasons, dry and wet. This look you can use it for spring season, alright? Spring season. So I'm going to do a pastel look. Some nice colors I have here. What happened is I have a palette from way back. I bought it from on Amazon for $34 US, and when I look back today it is still $34 US, right? So this is a palette I buy a very long time. The name of it is Shiny. This is the top of it, and the bottom break off into two. These are the colors. Very nice pastel colors. Like one part, and the next part is this part. This palette is very pigmented, and I will be using these colors for my pastel colors. I have other palettes, but I just love this palette because it have very nice pastel colors. We'll be using that today. When you see me dipping, I'll be dipping into that palette. This palette eyeshadows do not have any name, right? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell. Don't forget to thumbs up and share. Sharing is caring. Let's jump right into the makeup. Okay. Glam subscribe, I already did tone, moisturize and prime my face. I prime my face with the Pore Professional by Benefit, and I then do my eyebrows off camera. I'm going in with the P. Louise Base Rumor number 2, and I'm going to prime my eyelids. Okay, guys, I already blend out my eyeshadow primer, so now I'm going into lilac. Hey glam subscribee, in this video I was not feeling my 100% best, but I'll be inserting some voiceovers now and again, so sit back and relax and watch the video. I really don't talk when I am doing my eyeshadow. So glam subscribees, if you realize I am tapping in the color, I am building it up. And this mint green that I am going to apply now, baby, is worth it. It's very pigmented. It's very pigmented. I'm loving it right now. I am so happy that I chose these two colors to be the transition colors. I did my eye, this my right eye, so now I'm going on do my left eye what I did on this side. see how it crease up here? I'm going and pat it out and get it even. And just so it become like this. Boom! I finish merge these two colors together. Is a kind of mint green and lilac. So now I am going and cut the crease with my micellar water and my Q-tip. When you finish cutting your crease, make sure your surface on your eyelid is pat and dry, so when you are applying the eyeshadow primer, it will apply smoothly. So I finish cut my crease, I finish prime my lids. Let's see what color we put in on the lids now. I'm loving these colors right now. It's kind of lilac with mint green, and when you blend it in, you're giving you a kind of blue effect. So I'm going in with orange. You must have a little orange. Just so it could look nice during the day with your friends by the pool. Going to a pool party with a white bathing suit. Ooh, I like this color. Everything white and just the eyes popping. That's it. Orange, pink and yellow I am putting on my eyelids, blending it out seamlessly, and it will be emerged into each other. When I look at these colors in the mirror, I said, hey baby, why not see myself on a yacht with these colors and the wind just blowing and my eyes just glittering. Oh, I am emerging the lilac and the orange to take out that harsh line. I'm going in with some white eyeliner. It's water. It just put water in it and it does activate the eyeliner. So I'm just going in with some white just to cut the crease clean. So I'll do one side and I'm going and do the next side off camera. So I'll be right back. Actually, I'm going and do a black wing with this look because I want the colors to pop with the black wing. I'm using my Maybelline New York Studio Finish black eyeliner in jet black. When I start doing my eye wing, Lord Father, it wasn't a hot mess, but I used my tape as a guide and now it turned out perfect. So practice make perfect. Sometimes one wing used to be up and one wing used to be down. I don't know what direction I was looking to fly. So I did one wing on camera, so I hope I give you all inspiration to practice on your eye wing. Alright, so I'm going to do the next one off camera. I'll be back. I finished with the wing. So I'm going to do my face and then you'll put on the eyelashes last and do the lipstick. You all know my favorite of foundation already is the MAC 30, the MAC NC30. Sponge to warm up the foundation and tap it in, and then I apply it to my face. So I finish blend out my foundation and let me spritz it with some spray. Today I'm not using LA Guild Pro Concealer for this video. I'm using the Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage Concealer today. Alright, So I'm doing something different today. This shade of concealer, I don't mind using it in a soft and natural glam makeup look. I'm taking my time and blend out piece by piece. I have 4 concealers written down in my must-have list, which is the Dior concealer, the Fenty concealer, the Juvia's Place concealer, and the Huda Beauty concealer. As I finish blending out the Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage concealer, I went in with some LA Pro concealer to brighten up underneath my eyes. I saw there is a TikTok video going around using white LA Pro concealer underneath your eyes. You had to be kidding. I will not be doing that at all. This concealer not bad, you know. It blended pretty well. So I like how it's looking. It's looking too bright. That's a shade up than my foundation, so that's not bad. Now I'm going to contour with my favorite black oval stick. I'm just contouring. I'm not putting on any bronzer today. I'm using Sasha's Buttercup. I'm using a wedge to put the highlighter on. It is set. So guys, what you all are doing for Easter? You're going beach, river, you're partying, going boat ride. What you all are doing for Easter? Comment below and let me know what you all are doing for the Easter holidays. Actually, I'm showing you all my jawline that I contour. Very sharp and nice. So I done contour my face, so I'm going and contour my nose. When I'm contouring my nose, I take my time and contour my nose. I finished with my nose contour in my nose, so I'm just taking the blender and just softening it up. I'm not putting on any contour today. I will just be passing a little blush on my face. My blush was not there with me, so actually I did in yellow, orange and brown eyeshadow and use it as my blush. Guys, to be honest, I'm not feeling so well these days, so I'm just coming on here to give you some looks for the upcoming season. Right now I'm really forcing myself to come and do some makeup looks for you all because I'm really not feeling too good. Next step, I want to put on some eyeliner in my waterline, and I'm going to use the shade of pink. I'm using a shade it's called Soft Pink. In Italian, the lux is in your pencil. I apply the same lilac eyeshadow and mint green underneath my waterlines and blend it out seamlessly. I'm going to apply mascara to my eyelashes. I also apply mascara to the bottom lashes of my eyes. I'm using Mega Volume Mascara in Wet and Wild. I'm going to apply the eyelashes and I'll be back. So guys, I finished applying the eyelashes. This is how it came out. So I was thinking about doing a hot pink lip today for change, and this is the pencil I am using in Deluxe. It's a hot pink. So let me see how, let us see how this will come out. The pink lip looked nice, but I find it was looking a little too dry, so I applied some lip gloss over it. Now when I applied the lip gloss over it, I find it was looking too wet. So then after I went in with some concealer inside and I blended out, and that is when I decide I will go with this lip combo. So guys, this is how the lip came out with a fuchsia pink pencil, and I end up putting some concealer in the middle of my lip and I fix it to suit. So let me zoom out so you can see the full face. So this is how the Easter look came out with the pastel colors. So I'm going to fix my hair and change my top and come back. So guys, I am back with the finished product. This is how the makeup came out. I'm just letting you all know that today I'm not feeling that well, so I will be hardly talking in this video. I just had this on my list to do, this Easter look pastel colors, so I came and do it, but I'm not feeling well, so I'll be really hardly talking in this video. So let me zoom in and show you all how the pastel looking closer up. Okay, this is how it came out. I put a little water eyeliner over the black eyeliner to make it pop a little bit, and I use lilac, mint green, orange, pink and yellow, but when the lilac blend into the mint green, it come out like something like a blue color. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on the notification bell, thumbs up and share. Sharing is caring. I hope you all like how this look came out. I prefer to wear these colors any daytime. These colors so pretty. This look really come out very nice and I really like it. They look refreshing and nice. I try to get up to mimic the colors as well. And thanks for watching. I really not feeling too hot up. I thought while I am doing this video I would have feel much better, but really try my best. I'll see you all next time. Don't forget to come back and watch my videos. Bye.